Okay, so in question number 3, where we are asked to determine the realized holding gain, or first we have in number 3 the cost of goods sold for the current year at current cost, and in number 4 determine the realized holding gain. So we have 135,000 and the average current cost is 1,920,000 as computed in number 3. And in number 4, we have the historical cost by using FIFO of 1,785,000. So 1,785,000 is taken by adding the beginning inventory of 400,000 pesos, and then we add the first quarter of 410,000, second quarter 550,000, and third quarter of 425,000. So that's a total of 1,785,000. Or another option is to add 400,000, 410,000, 550,000, 425,000, 630,000. That's the total goods available for sale. So you'll get 2,415,000 and you deduct 630,000. Your historical cost, 9,000 units in the inventory end. So you get the amount of 1,785,000. That's your historical cost, 5-4. So we have 2,415,000 minus 630,000 equals 1,785,000. That's the realized holding gain. Next, in 23-8, in 23-8, question number 1, what is the inventory on December 31 at current cost? So we have now 40,000. That's the inventory end. And then we have to multiply that by the current cost of 72. So we get the amount of ending inventory of 2,880,000. The unrealized holding gain on inventory for the current year is at current cost 2,880,000, at historical cost 2,520,000. So the unrealized gain of 360,000. Then number 3, what is the cost of goods sold for the current year? So we have now the cost of goods sold at average current cost of 70,000 units sold, and then we multiply that by the average current cost of 65, adding 58 and 72. That makes a total of 130 divided by 2. So we get 65 times 70,000 units. So again, for the cost of goods sold, the average current cost is 4,550,000 and deduct the historical cost of 4,120,000. We have the unrealized holding gain of 430,000. That's problem number 8. Then number 9, we have again the unrealized holding gain on inventory for the current year in number 9. So in question number 1, we have the answer as letter B, cost of goods sold at average current cost of 5 million. That's 55,000 or 50,000 units. That's the beginning inventory. While The ending inventory is with again 50 historical cost, 5 million average current cost, and then the historical cost of 4 million. We have the realized holding gain on inventory for the current year equal to 1 million. Then number two, the unrealized holding gain on inventory is 500,000. The inventory end at current cost. So 10,000 multiplied by 150, that's the ending inventory. 50,000, and we have to deduct the 40,000. So the ending inventory of 10,000 units, then you multiply that by 150 at year end. Then the inventory at cost is 10,000 units at 100 or 1 million. The unrealized holding gain, unrealized because it's still unsold. The current cost income statement, now we have sales of 7.2 million, and then we are going to multiply 40,000 by 180 per unit, 7.2 million. Then the cost of goods sold multiplied by 125, that's the amount of 5 million. Then we have the gross income. Then we add the realized holding gain of 1 million, the unrealized of 500,000. We have the total income of 3.7 million. Then we deduct the operating expenses in the amount of 700,000. So we now get the amount of net income of 3 million. In question number 4, what is net income under historical cost accounting for the current year? So we have sales 7.2 million, purchase 5 million minus the ending inventory of 1 million. So we have 4 million, deduct the operating expenses. We have the net income of 2.5 million. Now for question number 10, what is the amount of unrealized gain that should be recognized in 2020? So we have the land at current cost, and we have the land at historical cost. The unrealized holding gain is 200,000. Then the selling price at on January 31, 2021, we deduct the carrying amount of land at current cost. The gain on sale is 50,000. Then question number 11, what amount should be disclosed as the inflation component of the increase in current cost of inventory? Increase in current cost with nominal peso and constant peso. We have now the inflation component. The increase in current cost, nominal peso, includes the inflation component, while the increase in current cost, constant peso, does not include. So this ends our discussion. Uh, See you on Friday for the exam at 1 o'clock up to 5 o'clock. And for those who missed some exercises, I will be giving this on Monday morning. Siguro mga 10 o'clock. So, Monday morning. So, just open the Canvas on Monday at 10 o'clock. And I will release the questions. Of course, your names will appear, no, for those who will be taking. Now, and your deadline for passing your research work will be on Monday. Just send it to my email address. So, any questions before we dismiss? Any
Ma'am, question, ma'am.
Oo.
Ang about pala sa project, ma'am, sa may
Oo.
book lang na mamakwa sa answer, ma'am.
Adra ang tanan libro. Why na na yung
Uh,
problema? Kay nga ang libro, dira man lang ko nang wa questions. Simpre dira man lang na tanan ang answer. And ginbutang ko dito nga limit your answers for each question to not more than 100 words. Hindi bala may amo na, no?
Oo, ma'am. Sige,
Oo.
ma'am. Tapos,
Okay.
ma'am,
Ano?
mangkot kami tani, ma'am, kung final na gid to ang coverage, ma'am, nga comprehensive gid man, ma'am.
Oo. Chapters 1 to 23. Pero ang kundi ang aton nga midsummer, ano gani 1 to 7. Ang aton lang nga midsummer, 1 to 7 lang bala mo kung ano.
1
Basta
to
ang
7 kag 17, ma'am.
oo, 1-7. Laban ko nga kwaan 8 to 23 ang latest. Siguro ang mga previews na iya gamay lang gid ah. Gamay lang nang laban gid dira gid sa 8 to 23. Oo. Kag ang test siguro mga kay lawig niya kay finals basi mga 160 items. Oo. Okay lang? Oo, dako
Ma'am,
pa
wala na
kayo.
ko no ayo, ma'am, ang coverage, ma'am.
Ano?
Wala na ko no ayo ang coverage, ma'am.
Wala na. Nag-announce na ako. Basta ang chapters 1 to 7, gamay lang na. Basi mga 10% lang sang total. Ang laban dira gid sa last nga mga chapters. Oo, okay na. Kay may klase pa nga gasunod. Oo, ha? O sige, thank you and God bless. Nick,
Thank you,
hindi
ma'am.
pala nga may test ka, 11:10, no? I-upload namin.